What up guys, today is May 23rd and this is vlog 24. That's Kobe, vlog Kobe because Kobe is 24. We're on our way to Coffee Bean to get some coffee, to get the energy boosted and to start a day with the good energy and to do all the edits possible so we can send out all the videos to you guys. We're now down to 17 backed up videos. I'm just being honest, future, and so we should have another video coming up to your way by this evening, or even two possibly if it's possible. Just stay tuned and we'll be updating you on how it goes, our day as it unfolds, and it all depends on the day, so we can't really. But I was just saying hi to my neighbor. Can't really predict what the future comes, but we can predict good energy and good vibrations, and that alone should entice and attract opportunity to us. That's our motto, that's our way of doing things, and that's just the way that it always works for us, at least. And I'm sure you guys more agree with me out there somewhere. Hey, anyways, yeah, so I will be back with you with some footage as the day unfolds. Today is the almost the Memorial Day. It's Tuesday, but it feels like a Friday. The weather is pretty windy, but it's sunny and nice and warm, so it's my kind of weather. Couldn't be more thankful. Have a great, awesome, cool day wherever you are, whatever city, state, country you are in. Day, night, evening, morning. Just keep it good, keep it vibed, and everything should be turned up your way out. See you guys soon. Peace. Cut. Okay guys, I decided to take you guys to Coffee Bean with me to see what's going on there. This is my third visit with the GoPro with. So let's see, where is the parking that we're looking for? Lately, like, the parking has been crazy here at Coffee Bean. That's where I'm at, the Bean, aka the Bean. So we'll see if we get lucky. If not, we'll just park on the street. Lots of watermelon. Look at that. Watermelon town has arrived. Okay, I'm just gonna do one more loop. I'm pretty sure one of these people is gonna come out right about now, because I already manifested that for someone to just head out right now. Let's see if my manifest works faster than normal. Checking it right now. No part. Oh, there you go. Someone is coming up, but someone is already waiting. So, oh, there you go. You see, my manifestation worked. Someone is pulling out. Did you see that, guys? That's what I call manifestation. Manifested. And that's manifested. That's what I do. I get that energy and I just throw it out there and just get what I want. Attract it. That's a pure evidence of attraction, straight up. And we are able to park without waiting any extra minute, and we'll show you what's going on down at the Bean. And just stay put, don't go anywhere. I'll be watching you. But yeah, just stay tuned guys, and we'll go in together as a fam, as one big family on GoPro. This time we're going to show you everything. No more hiding the camera from people because of, I don't know why. 423. What up, brother? I'm deciding to come back again, like on and on. Cool, man.
Same thing, bro?
Yeah, same old. Same old. That's Frankie. Hey, Monique. What up? You change your hairstyle.
Oh, no, this is going to be 240 though.
Cool. I'm messing with you, bro.
Thanks, bro. Thanks.
It's all good, shit. Cool. Alright, buddy, thanks, man. Peace. Alright, coffee. Hey, Lotus.
Okay.
How are you? Good?
Okay.
Hey, how are you? Okay. We're gonna watch her make coffee right now. She's making my coffee. I can see it. I can feel it.
Sorry, Ari.
Oh, what up, brother? How are you, man?
Pretty good, man. About yourself?
Good. Gucci always, right? Keeping it high vibes all day. That's my boy Caesar. What up, brother? Just check out the vlog Kobe 24, and this will be on it. This is the vlog 24 for Monique, Kobe. That's Kobe right there at the coffee bean, making coffee. This is the manager. Her name is I don't forget her name. What is her name? I always call her Glayer, so it's Gladys. There you go. Thank you, sweetheart. Amazing. She's always amazing. Bye. And Ari is out and about. In a minute. Come back here. We don't want to be on the side, do we? Bye, Monique. Thanks, guys. Ari out. Peace. Alright, guys, we're out. We'll find our car. Right there. Amazing. Got my boost, my morning boost. At the bean, the best bean in town. Check it out. Hillhurst and Ambrose. That's what it is. Say you're a friend of Ari's and they'll give you a special of an extra shot. That's because I'm found here. I'm like literally I don't want to say the king because Chris is the king. If you guys know who Chris is, Christopher Lee. He's like the king here, and I'm the prince. So you just drop my name, Ari the Prince or Ari Gold, and they'll definitely give you some extra shots, if not a free dessert or something. Try it out, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, guys. So just stay tuned, and we'll be back with you with some more coverage on how they go. So stay tuned, and I'll be back. Thank you guys for watching, and this is Phon-Er, Ari Gold, and we are out. Peace. Hey guys, this is vlog 24. We're back. We just got our first repair. It's for a friend of ours. It's a friend of mine actually that I've known for like over 7 years now, and we're going to fix her battery for her mom at the Coffee Bean in my local area because she needs to go to Russia, and her mom, that's her mom's phone, so I'm gonna just hook her up with a free battery just to be nice because she's a nice person. And yeah, so we are right now heading over to change her battery for iPhone 5. I told that he's on the house because she's with my friend and what our friends for. You can charge your friends, you know. I mean, especially for a battery. That's one thing I don't do. I don't charge friends for things. So I'm heading out right now, and I will record the whole thing as when I get there. And you will see what goes on there and how the repair goes. She's gonna be there with her baby. So I'm gonna see her little 7-month-old baby the first time, which is awesome. And it's gonna be fun to repair with an old friend. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you in the loop. So don't go anywhere, and we will be back with you soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace. See you soon. Cut. Cut. We're not gonna get that bag. We're just gonna get this. Okay. Put some coins in there. See how many minutes it's there. 8 minutes, quarter, 23 minutes. Just to be safe, let's put one more. 38 minutes is much better. Hey guys, we found her. We found her. Hey. Hey Tanya, how are you? Hey, this. Someone is choking me.
that?
Recording.
Oh, really?
You're on video.
О, прикольно, он видео взял, чтобы снимать на это. Hello, you're on video.
Here, you just have her hold the camera.
Hold the camera, да. Мила. Мила.
Русская папа.
Thank you. I need to sign? Oh, thank you. I could check my card, yeah. Thank you so much. I'm sorry it took forever. And the other one is from there. Yeah, I have a lot of Thank you. Yeah, не забрать, да.
So cute. And that's the other Tanya from my YouTube channel. Say hi, Tanya.
Hi.
She's an old friend.
You can see so far?
Yeah,
How far you can see that?
It's panoramic, so it grabs the photo. And then that's her friend. My friend. Tanya too? No way. It's the triple T's. That's not a joke. There's actually three Tanyas. That's a triple.
It's triple T.
Triple there, Tanya T. That's crazy. Okay, cool. Hey guys, we're gonna go and fix our battery now. Guys, we are going to pick up our business cards because we met three Tanyas today. Three Tanyas. First Tanya was my friend. The second Tanya was my brother's girlfriend. Third Tanya was her friend. So pretty much it's just a bunch of Tanyas, just rolling around. It's pretty dope. People are looking at me right now. They're like, "Why is this guy talking to himself?" I'm like, "I'm not talking to myself." Camera. Okay, so this page. Here's a few.
Thank you.
Tanya's out. Those are two-tone. Okay. Hey Chris.
My phone.
Say hi to the camera. This is the king of Papa Bean that I told you guys about. Mr. King. AKA Chris. That's a two-tone TTL. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I kind of wanted to be a curly one. Hey guys, we're gonna record this bitch right now. No, everyone thinks that because since I have blue eyes and the baby has blue eyes, but no. She was my friend's, yeah. No, is it Russian? Yeah.
You're gonna be in, how you call it? This, it's gonna be selling in Walmart.
Oh yeah, I've seen it before. Oh yeah.
It's Lily on the little baby.
Oh, look. The one in the middle right here. That's her baby. That one.
Yeah.
Check it out. Shout out. Okay, so. That's about it. All good. Power on. Oh, it's alive. iPhone 5G. That's the old.
Вот ты можешь стать.
Thank you. Okay, so let's meet you. Same. Alright guys, and that's about it. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you guys soon when things unfold. And have a good day, and see you soon. This is Ari Gold, Tanyas, stay golden, and that's a cut. Peace.